Yo, people, all Busshead say him wish for have to live for see him birthday. Today a Busshead birthday and him take the youth life. You see me? Couple hours before him birthday. My condolences to you, Busshead, and your family, dog. You see me? People, when I see the video, I think say, yo, my heart move, literally. I get the video and the picture one time, dog. The man just done do him ear. I want ear salon for him birthday today. And the man didn't even get to live for see him birthday just couple hours before him birthday, dog. The man up on him life whole day today. I say, yo, all him have to live for see him birthday. And it's like them literally up on the man life and listen to him and say them things, yeah. Just for take the youth life, bro. You see me? Guys, if you're not those strong, don't go watch the video. But if you want to see the video, go on Google search for mountain.com and watch the video on that website. You see me? 41 Busshead people and a one bad youth. It might say things on the internet, but are all fun and joke. You see me? But some people are take it for real, like how we see the Naya situation. So me I plead out to the TikTok community, dog. Me I beg on the please, dog, and everybody take insult for invitation, bro. Stop talk about a joke on our dog. Stop this the people them, bro. Stop make unnecessary hate come upon yourself, bro. You see me? One person might say something in the comment section quick for say, yo, go suck your mother pussy or whatever be the case. And I love these people. Then laugh about it. It's not fun, dog. And everybody I got take disrespect. Uno might see it as fun and joke. And followers might laugh and support it, dog. But people will prune after. You see me? And the next thing I realize the TikTok of them I do, dog. When I warn about it with the Naya situation, bro. Una bring unnecessary vibes and bad energy to yourself when I get up on this one person. So give you an example. I see a dog join somebody live before, a TikTok live before, and say, hey boy, go suck your mother. You see me? And you say go suck back your mother. Then the dog say, me I tell go suck mother, you know where I come from? I come from Tivoli pussy. And I go say, yo, everybody go to Tivoli go suck them mother. Tivoli man, them a bad man. Bro, when they can't do them things, they bring unnecessary hate pan on, bring unnecessary eyes pan on, bro. You see me? You see, pre? I not even need for call Swiss name, but you know it's Swissly and mix up yet, bro. You see Swissly, I tell nobody go suck him mother yet. If somebody diss Swissly, dog, all Swissly say, yo, I don't want a bad energy right now. And him just keep them off I'm live. Him not answer them back, him not diss nobody. But uno I take it as fun and joke, bro. No stop it, dog. Me I plead to uno, me I beg uno, bro. And also need to be more vigilant in the streets. You see me? Uno I go, bro, everyone have this live thing back on, bro. And uno now watch uno surroundings, dog. You see me? Uno I give uno live location to people who literally want to hurt uno, bro. And they don't know who have hurt uno because uno this so many person online and things say, yo, everybody have it as fun and game. Which enough people take it serious, dog. You see me? That's all me have to say to you. No. My condolences in the 41 Busshead. My condolences in the Naya. You see me? My condolences, dog. And I know so I'm not going to listen to me because someone are going to still go do it now. Listen, I'm going to say, oh no boy, can't this me. I'm going to take this and whatever be the case. But if you understand, so I'm a public figure now, bro. You see me? And bad mind is real. And people love to say, oh no, love show off. You see me? So in order for that no go on, bro, you just be neutral, bro. You make everybody love you know. Make the gangster them on road love you know. Make the police them love you know. Make the regular people them not do nothing love you know, bro. Everybody for love you know, dog. Then make nobody say, oh, that one day him nana manners I be these people on TikTok. I saw them I go talk about you know, dog. You see me? Me I beg on no bro, no please stop it, dog. Please, bro. Please, dog. Please. It's not no fun and joke, bro. We know the country we grew up in and we know the country we live, bro. Jamaicans love to prove a point. Them love to prove a point, bro. And them will prove on the weak fence them, which is uno. Because you know easy live can find. All them can do, bro, I just wait till you go live, dog, and show the live location, bro. And I eat that them pounce up on like a sitting duck. You see me? Please, dog, be safe, bro, and stop this disrespectful thing. You can do the regular dancing and entertain the people, them. If a man come this, bro, you need to answer them, bro. Just ignore them, dog. You see me? You just ignore them, dog. That's all me I be gonna do, that because I'm a public figure, bro. Please, dog, please. 41 Busshead, dog. Today birthday, bro. We know say you ready up yourself for celebrate a birthday, dog. We see you from there. Yeah, dance and happy, bro. Literally in front of our eyes, dog. And split second, you're gone, youth. You see me? Split second, you're gone, dog. The world is not pretty. And everybody like you and everybody love you, bro. You see me? So the need for protect yourself also, dog. On stop giving a live location because when they live and say entertain the people, other people are watching you. We want to hurt on the dog and say, yo, this is the right moment. No. You see me? So, no funny now I go take that message in the dog. I'm hope say some take it in, bro. You see me? Because someone gonna behave like on hard years and no want to take talk from nobody. You see me? But me I plead out to the dog. Stop the disrespectful thing, bro. Do nothing and entertain, bro. Dance, laugh, run, joke. But not this nobody, bro. Me I beg you, please and thanks. You see me?